from DoneRight Management. We are at Mountain Therapy. You can do a quick video tutorial on the television setup here. So we have an LG Smart TV with cable 1. Fairly straightforward, fairly easy to use system. So having this set, go ahead and hit the home button right there in the center, and then you have all the different options available to you as you can scroll through. And then you have the component, AV, HDMI, satellite, HDMI 3. So you can just scroll through there and then back to any other systems, apps that you want to log into. If you have Netflix, Prime, Hulu, log into your own account. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us. Number's 208-634-0030. And we're at Mountain Therapies. I hope you're having a great time. Cheers.